Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. Want to change your photo background using AI in just a few seconds? Today I'll show you how to use Google Flow to remove and replace any background like a pro, without Photoshop and completely beginner-friendly. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Flow. First, open your browser and search for Google Flow AI. Open the official website and log in using your Google account. Once you enter the dashboard, you'll see different AI creation tools available. Step 2. Upload your photo. Now click on the Upload Image option. Select the photo whose background you want to change. Try using a clear image with good lighting for the best AI results. Step 3. Remove the background. Now select the Background Removal feature. Google Flow AI will automatically detect the subject and remove the background within seconds. And boom, your background is now completely removed. Step 4. Add a new background. Now comes the fun part, changing the background. You can either upload your own custom background or generate one using AI prompts. Step 5. Adjust lighting and effects. To make the image look even more realistic, you can adjust lighting, shadows, blur, and colors. These small changes help blend the subject perfectly with the new background. Google Flow also gives AI enhancement options for sharper and cleaner images. Step 6. Download the final image. Once everything looks perfect, click on the download button. Choose your preferred quality and save the image directly to your device. And that's it, your AI edited photo is ready. Conclusion. So that's how you can use Google Flow to change your photo background using AI. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more AI tutorials. Comment below what type of AI editing video you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.